What if money didn't need banks, middlemen, or borders? That's the promise of cryptocurrency, a new digital revolution changing how we think about finance. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that uses cryptography to secure transactions. Instead of being controlled by governments or banks, most cryptos run on blockchain technology, a transparent, decentralized ledger. Crypto is more than just Bitcoin. It's about creating a new financial system where you can send, receive, or even invest money without middlemen. It's fast, borderless, and in some cases cheaper than traditional banking. Popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin Ethereum stablecoins. Yes, crypto can be profitable, but it's also risky. Prices are volatile, and scams exist. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This was your quick introduction to cryptocurrency. If you want to learn how to buy, store, and use crypto safely, make sure to subscribe to NextGen Wealth. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.